Hot tips to help you improve at affiliate marketing. When you decide to enter into affiliate marketing, you may wonder where to begin, as there are so many things to consider when choosing strategies that will work for your business. The tips in this video can provide you with what you need to know to be a successful affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a good way to make some money without having to invest a lot of money. You don't have to invest on buying or producing products. The only thing you have to worry about when it comes to affiliate marketing is advertising and marketing. You have to make sure your website attracts enough attention to where people are clicking on the links on there and buying the products they view, giving you your income. So you may need to invest in some software that will help you to write and post interesting and relevant content. To address your audience directly, you should take time to get to know them and understand their problems. Once you have identified their main concerns, you can propose a solution that includes buying the products you want to sell. Remain genuine and honest in addressing these issues that are important to your audience. Use auto-tracking software whenever possible. There is software out there that can download affiliate sales data and adjust the frequency at which an ad is shown in a rotation relative to its profitability. If an ad is consistently performing poorly, the software will alert you so you can dump it and put something potentially more profitable in its place. As you have seen, affiliate marketing has different tactics, but it all shares the same goal, which is to help sell your products and services. All it requires is some research, hard work, and basic knowledge to decide what can work well for promoting your business to become a successful affiliate marketer. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.